So I want to give the example for test the bank and BEC. For example, I digit as operator director and I go to the intake channel menu and the settings menu. And here I go to the legal entities to check the legal entities have the bank and BEC updated as requested. So there is several legal entity that have to be updated in the bank name and the EG for Eco Brazil. So we need to search the legal entity, of course, like that. And here, to check the name IBA, the EC, and the bank name as updated, okay, like that. For example, Eco Brasatos, with the bank name is been Futumet, should thanks to the Societe General and with BEC it should change also updated also in here. So there is not for all the legal entities we have to update Nembang and BEC. For example, in here Eco Brasat Nantes for this legal entity we need just to update BEC only, not bank name. Okay, so I will try to put in here as the following is a list of legal entity that must have their bank name and BEC updated. Okay, and also don't forget to check in the details of the legal entity and results export of at the legal entity. Okay, okay. We should change to the name bank account in here, bank and BEC.